Good afternoon, boys and girls. Since I read E.T. yesterday to you about an extraterrestrial, I thought it'd be fun if we created our own aliens today. So the first thing I want to tell you before we get started is I want to teach you this new word. It's called, you may know it, it's called symmetry. And the thing about symmetry is the word means that if you were to divide something in half, it would be the same on both sides. It would be equal on both sides. We talk about equal a lot in class. For example, I just cut out this arrow. If I were to cut this arrow in half this way, I would have a square here, and I'd have a square with a triangle on the ends. It would not be equal. It would not be symmetrical. However, if I cut it out and right down the center here, I'm going to have two sides that are equal, the same, symmetrical. Okay, so we're going to make symmetrical aliens today. These are the materials you need. You need scissors, glue, construction paper, crayons, and some embellishments, some fun little embellishments. You could do anything from buttons to pipe cleaner, paper, construction paper, scrapbook paper, whatever it is that you have at home that your parents let you use. So before we get started, I want to show you a couple of aliens that I made. So you notice she has 3 eyeballs here, just scrap material, little pieces I had in a box. And this guy right here. And my favorite is E.T. You can make E.T. And I will talk about these at the end of the video. So the first thing we're going to do is fold our paper in half. Fold your paper in half. And the biggest thing that I've noticed when I've done a lesson like this in class is students end up cutting where this opening is. They cut this way, and what happens is you end up with 2 pieces. If you do that, it's okay because your parents can just tape it together and you'll still have your alien. However, the best way is to cut on this folded line here. Cut on this folded line here. So I'm going to cut, and when I'm finished cutting, I'm going to show you how to decorate your alien. So you can do whatever shape you would like for the head. Whatever you cut out, it's going to end up being the same on the opposite side. So it's called symmetry. So once you get your shape cut out, you can get started on making your alien. Alright, so once you open it up, you'll notice that it's the same on both sides. And maybe you want to give them feet. Mine kind of looks like broccoli to me. So you do it however you'd like, and open it up, and we're going to move this camera down. It's going to make a little noise there. You're going to take your glue stick and start gluing or coloring. It is a collage, so you can put whatever you'd like on your alien. So this guy, it looks like this one actually had the eye missing, the eyeball missing in the middle. That's okay. Here's the third one. So there are his eyes. Cut out a little triangle out of black construction paper for his nose or mouth. And I have these fun little pom-poms that you could add on to his head. Uh-oh. The eyeball came off. And put another one here. And we will put another one here. And you can cut out material and just Give them some embellishments, whatever you'd like to do. This right here, I mean, kind of a little grass skirt. It's a little small for this guy, but just to give you an idea for some of the things that you can do. And you can add some color, maybe give them some designs, eyebrows, whatever you'd like to do to decorate your little guy. So let's hope his eyeball doesn't fall off again. So there's an a symmetrical alien, excuse me. And again, I want to explain to you that if you cut this arrow down the center this way, you would have the same shape on both sides. If you cut it down the center this way, you would have asymmetrical pieces. They would not be the same. Okay, so I would like you to make your own alien, and please post it below. I'd love to see your aliens, boys and girls, whatever it is that you make. I know it's going to be fantastic, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow.